We thought we'd give our mast a little support by upgrading our chain plates, but we ran into tons of issues. But life, and this video, is all about how we solve them.
Hello. With the onset of our spreaders and the tightening of our rigging, we will be upgrading our chain plates. Our chain plates must be upgraded because we had one broke, which is this one. Watch it. See, it's right there.
Did you just roll that on the outside?
Well, it was just a bolt plugging the hole, and the actual wires, it's not there. It's tied up. This plate goes here, and this light fixture gets in the way. So I will be removing this light fixture and printing something new for in here, because we do need light in the bathroom. This piece here, well, that's the port side. This is the starboard side. It replaces this old brass piece. It's a single bolt with a wider double bolt, and it also replaces the corresponding plate at the bottom. If you're not familiar with the Catalina chain plate upgrade kit, ours is a 78 model. I believe it fits most boats. It also replaces this chain plate here.
Oh, I cut your head off.
Oh, my head cut off! Get a shot of this. This is the old one, and this, of course, is the new one, which will place a single bolt and a couple of square inches. Alright, so now this guy can go on up here, and that's going to go on there. I need to drop a bolt through and tighten that.
What you looking for, babe?
Bolts.
It's a big bag.
If my boat.
This is going to count as a cover.
Will you put this bolt in for me?
Outside?
Outside. Just shove it in the hole as hard as you can. It probably won't fit either way, but just go for it.
What? Went right in. Like it was made for it. Little did we know that would be the only piece in this upgrade kit that seemed to be made to fit this boat.
I like radio.
You like radio?
AM radio. I ain't afraid of you. I ain't afraid of you. How the f do they fucking think that's gonna fuck? It just don't work. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm trying to show you. This has to go in a line with the mast for the back stay that way. This has to go in a line of mast this way. So those are each sides. Line that bracket up to that bolt and it doesn't go on. Line this bracket up to the bolt and it won't go on. We have to drill 2 new holes, here and here. We can't reuse this hole because of the way they changed the bracket.
This is the most aggravating $300.
I want to send it back and get my money back. I could design a better kit of my own. Just go get some eye bolts and, you know, just drill this existing piece here and reuse it. The thing is there's no way for that piece to work with the original equipment.
It's weird.
I mean, they have to change the design. Look, see? Because it's an eyelet and it has to go in that direction. The other eyelet would be in the wood. It's just a matter of sealing up a hole. Like I said, there's no way to install these. Even if I don't use their chain plates, I can't put these in that alignment without the bolt going into the wood. What I did is I drilled a hole from down there, but I drilled it from the corner over. And I think I lined it up just right so that it was in the middle here from an angle. You know, but I did it with a smaller bit so that it would fit in the hole and hit the bucket. Yes. Hey, look at that. You know what that means?
Is that the brace that's inside?
Yeah, it just went right through. So hold on to your butt. To give myself just a little bit of room on this. And then we'll go in.
Rigmaroles.
So I'm pretty close. Just no cigar. Well, this gap was a smaller. I'm trying to get this flush, but just so flush with the sander. Ah, look at that! And bolts, they look straight now. You think they look straight now?
Can't see with your head in the way. Yeah, good job.
Yeah. So, it wasn't noted in the instructions. They would elaborate more a little bit, but to get the bolt holes perfectly straight, and it's a must. You really want to get them things straight. You need to take your whole board off. Yeah. It's done. It's done. That one will come off. Yeah, whole shelf, whole board, the whole side's got to come down, and then it'll get swapped out for all my pieces. Cheerio! Cheerio! Bruh. Need an eyelet so I can test it out.
Tank plate! Oh yeah, man! We got 2 bolts!
No longer 3/8 of an inch, but a 1/2 inch in diameter. Oh yeah, you want to take a shot of that hole? I got holes down.
So this is the kit that we've got.
Scroll it on.
Scrolled out everywhere.
It's all over. Tape.
Is that a good end?
Alright, I think we will get a good freaking seal. That right there. So, and that, see how much I used? Just 1 inch of it. Stretching and molding. Less is more, I believe. I've always used that.
Yeah, that looks good.
Don't need to waste it too much. So,
Look
before
at
I
this
do
hole
that,
over here.
check that hole. I pulled on the bolt and tried to get it out. I forgot that I put the nut on there. What was I thinking? You want to go stick this in the hole?
Oh yeah, baby. There it comes. The trick is to twist.
Alright, we go shove it down again.
Oh.
Putting that squeeze on the butyl. Oh yeah. Yeah, we used too much.
Really? A little bitty bit was too much?
Yeah.
We got this tarp up while we're fixing the bimini just to keep some of the heat off. Oh, it looks like it's pulling down pretty good. It's pushing some of the butyl tape out.
What this means? We get this fucker up out of our way now. We'll hook that rigging up and tighten her down, get that rope out the way, find the halyard, get it free. Get it free, put a sail up Sunday. Sunday sailing, watch a Sunday sailing, sailing Sunday.
There's our old boat. Our old
Boat.
boat.
Damn!
Alright, I need that 14 wrench I had. I'll be black.
Jeremiah was a bullfrog.
Today I'll be using an adjustable spanner. What country they call it a spanner, babe?
I have no idea.
That'd be the UK. Them Brit folks.
Oh,
Spanners be wrenches.
gotta learn the terminology.
I have to pop the bonnet, see if the petrol engine is getting spark or not.
Oh no!
Because if these are a little taller,
need to tighten the rigging more here, and I might run out of adjustment. See how close I can get them?
Yeah.
I don't know if they'll touch with the proper tension or not.
Could we, well, I guess we wouldn't want to cut any of that bolt off because it might not have enough threads to hold on to.
This one has plenty. We're going to remove threads. I debated on how to do it. The cleanest way to do it. 6-inch bench grinder out of battery. Ow! It's hot!
I bet.
One more time! Third time charm?
Yeah. Maybe. Maybe.
Maybe 4 times. I like that. See how far it is already? It's 4 time charm. 3rd time charm.
Each little twist is one step closer to taking this baby out sailing again.
Alright, back down we go.
Take a look that way, and we're in the corner. Right into open water.
Open water.
I'm still debating on whether we should take the outside or the ISW.
Are we?
Yeah?
I say we fix motor. I say our destination lies on the outside.
You were determined to go outside?
I don't go outside my sidebar. I just want to catch big fish. Need it for 3 days.
I do too, but we're going to have that opportunity on the way to the Bahamas.
It's a handy tool to have at sea, you think? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah! Somebody does that. Well, you don't sound like a very good mechanic. I'm like, well, you don't sound like a very good audience. Friday.
Happy Friday! Friday! Getting something done day!
I don't know if they find it common practice or not. Probably when the customer's putting the bill, not them to tell them what to do. They'll probably just buy shorter turnbuckles, shorter bolts. In my case, threads don't even begin for at least 1 centimeter on each end. And the bolts are touching in the middle, so I'll remove 3 threads from each bolt, and then about the same amount of material between these caps. Close up the difference between our old and new eyelets. Warning.
Yeah, this kit seems to be missing a few warnings about altercations you have to make.
Whatever. Okay, we're bolted down. Now we take on a storm on the port side. Now if we take on a storm on the starboard side, we're fucked. It's not done yet. So, storm's port side only. Keep that in mind. Yeah! Alright, butyl tape time. Look at this beautiful tape. Butyl tape. Butyl tape. Beautiful tape. I really don't have to spread it out like that, but I will. Kelly?
Alrighty.
Right time to save the day!
I don't know why you send me out with each of these.
I'd like to give you an opportunity. And give myself one too. Ooh.
am I supposed to do that and hold the camera?
Another thing we need to do before we tighten these front chain plates is to take one of the bolts out of the front wood here that backed out during our last sailing up to the hardware store and go up to the next upper size and tighten them bitches all in.
Why?
Because this gets the strength, I believe, in these bolts.
Yeah.
And because of our untuned rigging, it was putting undue stress. Hey bud, come aboard!
It pushes the metal and it gets the drill. Show me the other end is what I was doing. It's more mushed.
The one he hasn't done yet, it's still quite full of the mushed metal, so he's just going to drill it out.
Ow, your hand!
Oh, yeah.
I paused. Crocodile?
If you don't have a firm grip, I would not recommend trying this at home.
I wouldn't recommend trying this at home anyways.
This is the last resort.
Crazy.
I'm saying you can't fix the kit that you just spent $400 on, and you don't want to buy new, what are those, shackles? What are those called?
I call it a shackle. Turnbuckle. Something like that. One of them 2, 3, 4. Just like that. See? All you have to open up just enough to get them threads in there. Get the threads in there. Get the threads in a hole.
There's still enough threads.
You see Fred? 1, 2, 3, Fred. It's gripped. It's gripped. It won't slip. Turn it around. Spin it down. Hey, right here one time I was like, no, I'm not drilling through my hand. I backed it out and I was like, I'll do like this and drill through my finger. And then it slipped off and drilled through my finger. And it stuck out like that. And I was like, ow. And my boss was like, I'll just put it on reverse and yank. And I was like, no, you'll do it slowly. Slowly. And we slowly did it. Well, howdy, neighbor.
It's a bit hot today. Bright one. It's only. Oh, look at all those little fishies. Tons of minnows swarming the boat.
Yeah, that's why we have the cast now. We'll hook through their back, let them swim around, big fish eats them, bigger fish eats that one, then we eat that big fish.
There's a fish over there jumping. It would be a good day to go fishing.
Now, PVC, you heard me.
Oh, I just missed it. As soon as I turned away.
That's fishing, babe. You're already
I was
there.
thinking, these people don't want to see a fish jump. They want to see a shroud being put on.
If you give me a look, I'm gonna get the mud. I'm gonna preach the word. I wanna preach the blood. Never walk the floor.
Get it out. So, there's a big gap, void of air, of space, inside of this that can be used for stuffing food when we're going on a trip. Alright, what about height level? Is that good in the middle?
Maybe a little higher.
Up higher? We have a hole in it now.
Alright, there it is. You don't like that sound, do you? Ta-da!
I love 3D printed tools.
Pretty handy.
These rubber hose that we had, we pulled out. That's how we're going to keep. Yeah, here it is. Alright. That should protect my wrist and hands while working on this.
Oh, wow, good job.
got the bolt out. Look at the old bolt comes right out there. Yeah, look at that. So I'm not going to grind this one. Look how far it is up in the threads. I probably have enough distance to go without grinding this one. The front one's all the way collapsed. Makes me wonder if somebody didn't improperly tune the rig and put all the tension on this front one, collapsing it and leaving all the adjustment in the rear. About 52 Brad at 21, which is about 14% braking strength. We need to move it up to about 26, 25. 20% braking strength on the 4th wire.
Oh.
1,600 foot-pounds, which is 29 on the scale. We're currently at 24, 22. So we're way under on those. We kind of knew that.
And that one over there was 16, and this one,
12.
really loose, it was 12.
Yeah.
We got some tightening to do.
But that's 12 on the scale gauge, not 12% braking strength. 12% on the scale gauge, 5% braking. Gotta watch that. Gotta watch the little things. See.
Here's the test. Is the rigging strong enough? Are those bolts gonna hold out? We shall see. Looks like it's holding up. Looks like we're safe. Under however many, like 5 watts and 5 knots of wind. Oh boy. I don't know about all that.
What does it know about?
Whee!
You catch me and go that way. You ready?
As ready as I'll ever be. Whee!
You gonna test yourself out or?
Wrap it first.
Oh, okay. Whoop. Whoop. I'm gonna go up in the water.
But we've got her going strong. We've replaced the spreaders and the rigging. Well, not the standing rigging, but we replaced the hardware.
We installed the Catalina Direct Upgrade Kit.
Yeah, we had a blast installing the upgrade kit. What do you think about that upgrade kit?
They can include more info, a lot more detailed. I mean, it's kind of what you got to expect though with a 40-year-old boat. There's so many discrepancies that I don't think they know. I don't know, maybe somebody never put one of these Catalina kits on before. There's a lot of things that they left unmentioned.
There's so many different Catalinas in that time. The shelving is different in each style, you know. Call me nuts, but I think the wind in your hair and all of that is worth all the hassle of everything that we learned and all the problems we ran into. We did a
You're
lot.
nuts. You're fucking
You don't think
nuts.
so?
It's just the way that you talk. Like that ain't a thing.
And then the morning comes.
I want to wear what the people wear. I want to see them every day. I want to live where everybody knows.
I think it's that hair that they know.
July.
July? It's not July yet, it's only June.
Oh, June 19th. We're grinding bolts down. I like grinding bolts down.